Hi everyone, it's Dave, and once again I'm at Outdoor Home, where we want to help you find the perfect home for your big green egg. Now, whether you're just getting started or maybe you're wanting to up that outdoor cooking game and you're looking for some more counter space or storage space, either way, there's been a lot of improvements, a lot of new things on the market. We want to help you make an informed decision to make the most out of your outdoor cooking experience. So our first option would be your standard big green egg nest, which you see right over here. It's sturdy metal construction. It's what I have on my deck, and it's been holding my egg in place and rocking it out for me for years. Now, if you're in a situation where you think you're going to have to move that egg, whether it's to get it away from the house, or I know some folks may keep their egg in a garage, an integrated nest might be your option. Very sturdy construction. Powder coated steel, bolts into your egg, so it's not going anywhere, and this handle helps it work just like you would be moving something on a dolly. Easy in, easy out, it's not going anywhere. So that's certainly something I recommend if you plan on moving your egg at all, even if you're just dragging it a little bit across the deck and back. That's kind of what I've been doing, and looking back in retrospect, had this been available, this might have been a good choice for me. Now, if you've already got the standard nest and you think, well gosh, maybe I do need something to help me move it around, don't worry, we still have nest handlers in stock, and that can certainly be an attachment to put on your standard nest assembly there. At some point, you're going to find that, well, maybe you want a little extra counter space on top there. So at this point, I'd recommend the egg mates. There's a 2-slat and a 3-slat design. The 2-slat also comes in a natural wood. Either way, they're a great look. The composite material is durable, wears well in the sun, it folds down easily, and when you put both sides down, your cover will still fit on there nice and secure. Some hooks on the front for your tools, a great addition to anyone out there with a big green egg. Now, if a workspace and some room to store your toys is something that's going to be a concern for you, or maybe you're like me and you've kind of outgrown your initial setup, I might recommend starting with the Acacia wood table. A nice wood grain finish. It's got the big green egg logo burnt in, locking casters, and plenty of room for food prep, serving, storage. Be a great addition to any deck or patio. And when you buy that table, I'm also going to recommend the metal table nest. Provide that nice air gap between your egg and the wood to keep you nice and safe for years to come. If you're looking for the ultimate all-in-one unit for your big green egg, you've got to check out the Big Green Egg Custom Cooking Islands. It has high-quality aluminum and steel construction, stainless steel pools, heavy-duty sliding shelves, and plenty of storage space for all your charcoal, accessories, and smoking woods. It's got a lifetime warranty and a powder-coated finish that's going to last you for many, many years. Finally, the latest innovation by Big Green Egg is the Modular Nest system. It allows you to start small and build your kitchen just the way you want it. First, you're going to start with the egg frame to hold either your large or extra large egg. From there, you can add the expansion frames and use one of 3 different finishes for your shelving: acacia wood, distressed acacia, or stainless steel. It allows you to build one frame at a time. You can create a U shape, an L shape, a straight line, whatever you need for your outdoor cooking space. This will let you piece it together at your pace, just the way you like it.